Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we gonna talk about the successful data room bonus. Part 6, product demo. Seeing a product demo in person is always great, but it's helpful to view a recording for later reference. Perhaps one that is used in sales. In this way, we get even better at understanding the product and come back with better questions. The goal is to create the most accurate and compelling picture of your company. So, sometimes including more documents on result in a better virtual data room. And you should not feel obligated to incorporate any documents you find irrelevant. As an entrepreneur, a great a great data room saves your time by reducing the number of follow-up emails and call you gets from investors. Good luck with your race. So there are all 6 parts, including one bonus. There is one financial model, 2 revenue pipeline, 3 current contracts plus cohort analysis, 4 market opportunity, 5 competitive analysis. This bonus, there is product demo which you saw in this video. Share this video with others. So thanks for watching. If you want to see, I keep waiting. The virtual data's goal is to create most accurate and compelling picture of your company. So thanks for watching. We see you in the next.